Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Biology 101. Whether you're here because you dream of becoming a surgeon, a nurse practitioner, or you're just trying to survive the semester, let me tell you something. You are the most complex structure in the known universe. And yet, every single thing you do, every thought, every heartbeat, every breath, begins with something invisible to the naked eye. Today, we're going to zoom out from the tiniest atom to the whole you. This is the hierarchy of life. Chemical, cellular, tissue, organ, system, organism. 6 levels, one story. Let's begin. Everything starts here, at the chemical level. Atoms carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, making up 96% of your body. These atoms bond to form molecules. Welcome to biology. On the board, we have the key molecules of life. Water is the solvent, proteins are the workers, lipids form barriers, and carbohydrates provide fuel, and nucleic acids are the blueprint. Now, when these molecules self-organize into a membrane-bound functional unit, we cross a sacred threshold. We've seen the key molecules. Now we enter the cellular level. The cell, the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Let's look closer at its structure and how it functions. This is the phospholipid bilayer, a double layer of lipid molecules. It says this is inside, that is outside. The hydrophobic tails face inward and the hydrophilic heads face outward. This structure is crucial for the cell. The nucleus safeguards genetic information, ribosomes manufacture proteins. A single human cell has about 100 trillion atoms all working together. If biology has one central dogma, it's this: the cell is the irreducible unit of life. Let's see how a single cell becomes an organ. First, the cell divides into 2, then 4, then 8. These clusters then differentiate, forming muscle cells, epithelial sheets, and nerve cells. This is differentiation. Think of it like a society. You don't want everyone doing the same job. So some cells become muscle tissue, contractile, elongated, built for movement. Some become epithelial tissue, tight sheets that line organs and protect surfaces. Some become nervous tissue, long branch, built to transmit signal. And some become connective tissue, filling spaces, anchoring structures, and defending the body. 4 primary tissue types, that's it. Everything you'll learn in anatomy traces back to these 4. The hierarchy of life starts with cells forming tissues. Muscle tissue, for example, forms organs like the stomach.
So cells to tissues to organs?
Exactly. And it builds up to organisms. That's the story of life. Now, when 2 or more different tissue types combine structurally and function together, we reach the organ level. Take the stomach. It's not just one tissue. It has an epithelial lining for protection and secretion. A smooth muscle layer that contracts to churn food. Connective tissue holding it together. Nerves controlling it all. 4 tissues, 1 organ, 1 purpose: to digest. Your heart, your lungs, your kidneys, every organ is a tissue collaboration. And here's where it gets exciting. No organ works alone. Organs that cooperate for a shared, overarching function form an organ system. The digestive system has 11 organs working together. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. Let's trace the path. It starts in the mouth, down the esophagus, to the stomach, then the intestines, and out. And finally, when all 11 organ systems are integrated and functioning together in a single living individual, we arrive at the organism level. This is the organism level, the pinnacle of biological organization. An organism is a complete living system. Take the human body. All these systems work together.
Professor, how does the brain control it all?
Excellent question. It's all about integrated signals.